and honestly, I'm gonna start using it myself. I'm Axel. I live in Norway and work as a baker.
My name is Arthur. I live in Norway. I am a pupil and I'm 12 years old.
My name is Espen. I'm living in Norway. I'm 16 years old and I'm studying at high school. Right now I'm using Google Chrome and Safari on my phone. I used Internet Explorer before, but I prefer Chrome because I'm familiar with the setup. I
start with Internet Explorer, which was, well, most people know that it's not the best browser. It's very slow and such.
I used Google, Internet Explorer and Firefox and a bit of Vivaldi. I discovered it for about 3 weeks ago when I was trying to do something on Minecraft and it didn't work on any other browsers and it worked on Vivaldi.
Quick, easy to understand, and fast.
It should have many tabs, or place for many tabs. YouTube and Twitch, for example.
I think multitasking, using several things at the same time.
So here we are. As you can see, these are my friends. Here you can see who's active now. And yeah, I use these different groups to chat with people, for example, about games, or I play D&D with the group and use this one to voice chat with them, because some of them are in America and some in Sweden, and you can't exactly meet up for that.
Discord, I use it with friends to talk about like study and sometimes I join servers about economy and stocks to learn more about that.
Vivaldi, you can open 2 different Discords. And you can, for example, do this on the one, and on the other one you can talk with somebody else at the same time. And then you can put them together, and you can view them both at the same time.
Oh, that's actually something that's annoyed me in others, where it's like, oh, the browser is completely white, but you're in, for example, Discord. It just doesn't work together well. So that's great for when you have these darker ones. Or, yeah, if you're just some gamer that prefers it to be dark. You can change where the tabs are. Oh, that's nice. I haven't seen that done before. Notes. You can just make notes. That's also pretty good.
Also change the themes and where you want to have the tabs. For example, now it's on the top, and you have on the left, right there, right, and on the bottom. That's really weird because I'm used to have it on the top, so I think I'll have it on there. Take a nice picture of this whole screen. Selection. There, you have a picture, and it comes there.
I liked it a lot. Not effective, it's pretty good, and yeah, it's just great.
Really nice, and then you can have your own Vivaldi. For example, in Chrome you can have some customization, but here you can change almost everything. So it's nice to have your unique homepage.
Using Discord with Vivaldi, I think it's better with Vivaldi because then you can, use it more efficient, and I'll probably change into Vivaldi because of that.